Does installing an SSD really make your computer start faster? Yes, it makes a huge difference because an SSD reads and writes data much faster than a traditional hard drive. When your computer turns on, it loads the operating system from storage, and if you use an HDD, it takes more time. An SSD can reduce boot time from minutes to just seconds. It also makes apps open faster, and the system feels smoother. So if your PC feels slow at startup, upgrading to an SSD is one of the best improvements you can make.